Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. My name's Nathan Batchelor. I'm a Forex trader and technical analyst, and today I'll be looking at the euro against the US dollar. I'll be discussing its recent trading history, and I'll also be identifying the key technical levels that you need to know going forward. So we've seen the euro dollar move to a 30-month trading high, hitting 119.60 in the Asian session. What sparked the move was Jackson Hole caused the euro to move higher as Mario Draghi failed to mention the recent strength in the euro. We also saw Janet Yellen disappoint at Jackson Hole, and that of course is weighing on the US dollar. If we have a look to the key market moving events this week, we have EU inflation data, we have US GDP, and of course we have the non-farm payrolls job report on Friday. If we now have a look to the key technical levels, we're obviously approaching the 120 level. So we've got some very interesting technical levels coming forward. Now we're trading above 119. Points to the downside, first of all, to note, if we do get some retrace on the euro, the 50 period monthly average is sat at 118.60. Keep your eye on that level. That may be an area that the euro may come back to retest underneath that level. We of course have that important 200-week moving average, which is set now at 117.60. If we have a look to the daily pivot point on the euro, that is calculated at 118.79, and we also have the weekly pivot point, which comes in this week on the euro at 118.65. So it's getting close to that 50 period monthly average. But let's have a look to the upside. We've obviously topped out at 119.60. If we start to move above there, keep your eye on that 120 level. That will be key for the euro this week. We of course have a gap just above there, so keep your eye around that region. We have that gap when we had the large drop down in 2014, and of course if we start to fill that gap, we may move up to Fibonacci support, which is the all-time high on the euro attached to the all-time low, and that's set at 120.30. That's a key Fibonacci level for the euro, 120.30. If we do move above 120.30, we also have long-term Fibonacci resistance around 121.60 area. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers, and you can trade the euro against the US dollar at ActivTrades for spreads as low as 0.5p.